Slow growth is still growth. Not everything happens all at once. Some days, progress feels invisible. You're trying, but nothing seems to change. And that can be frustrating. But look at nature. Trees don't rush to grow tall. Rivers don't force their way forward. They move slowly, patiently, one moment at a time. Growth isn't always loud. Sometimes it's quiet. Sometimes it's just choosing to keep going, even when results don't show up yet. If your journey feels slow right now, that doesn't mean it's failing. It means something is forming beneath the surface. Keep showing up. Keep moving gently. Slow growth is still growth.